Hey everyone, it's Cosette here. Welcome back to the channel. Have you noticed how often native speakers say things like, "Don't get me wrong, hope you get the point," or "let's get going," and then you say, "Wait, what exactly does that mean?" Well, in today's video, we're diving into 10 super common and useful expressions with the verb get that will make your English sound way more fluent and way more natural. You'll learn what they mean, how to use them, and then you'll hear them in a real everyday conversation so you can really get the picture. Ready to level up your English? Let's get started. So let's break down each expression with examples. Number one is "don't get me wrong." Don't get me wrong. I appreciate your effort, but this isn't quite what I asked for. Don't get me wrong, I'm not criticizing you. I just think you can do even better. So I'm sure you got the meaning from the examples. Don't get me wrong is a polite way to say don't misunderstand me. Number two is get used to something. For example, it took me a while to get used to talking to the camera. I'm still getting used to filming myself. Notice how you use the verb after used to in the ing form. I'm still getting used to talking to the camera. It took me a while to get used to filming myself. Or you can also say, you'll get used to the noise after a few days in the city. So the expression get used to do something means to get comfortable or familiar with something new. Number three is let's get going. For example, the movie starts soon. Let's get going. So here, let's get going means let's leave now, or we gotta go, or we'll be late. Look at this one. All right, team, let's get going. We've got a lot to cover today. So here, let's get going means let's start doing something now. Or you can also say let's get started or let's get going. Number four is get something done. I need to get this video done before the weekend. Or I need to get my taxes done before the deadline. Or you can also say, I need to get my homework done before dinner. So as you can see from the examples, get something done means to complete a task or an activity. So to finish something. So when you refer to get something done, it means that you need to do something and finish it. Number five is get the chance. I went to Lady Gaga's concert. I didn't get the chance to meet her though. I didn't get the chance to express my opinion during the meeting. So as you can see from these sentences, get the chance means to have the opportunity to do something. You can also use it in affirmative sentences. For example, I got the chance to talk to my boss and ask her for a promotion. Okay, number six is get the impression. I talked to my sister yesterday and I got the impression she isn't happy. So to get the impression means to have a feeling or opinion about something based on what you can see or hear. Oh, sorry. Number seven is get nowhere. I'm trying to fix this app, but I'm getting nowhere. Or they've been negotiating for weeks, but they're getting nowhere. So the expression to get nowhere means to make no progress. Number eight is commonly used in British English. Get the sack. Look at these examples. He got the sack for always being late. He knew he might get the sack if he didn't meet his sales targets. So as you can see, the expression get the sack just means to get fired from a job. Number nine is get the point. I really hope you get the point of this whole lesson. Or for example, okay, no more excuses. I get the point. You don't want to go. So the expression get the point just means that you understand the main idea of something. And finally, number 10, get the picture. Look at this interaction between two friends. He hasn't answered my texts, he blocked me on social media, and he told our friends he's done. Okay, I get the picture, you're not going back together. So as you can see, get the picture means that you understand a situation or that you really understand what's going on. So now let's see these expressions in a real life conversation. First, I'll go through the dialogue, and after that, you're gonna practice speaking with me. So make sure you stick around. So, oh, I've been trying to organize this presentation all morning, but I'm getting nowhere. Same here. I just want to get it done so we can relax this weekend. Yeah, if we get the chance, I'd love to go hiking. But first, this project. You know, I get the impression our boss isn't even going to read it carefully. Don't get me wrong, I like working with her, but she can be so unclear with instructions. Totally. But hey, we're wasting time. Let's get going before this place closes. Right, but can we talk about this new design? I just don't get the point of the layout. It's meant to be simple, not boring. Do you get the picture? Okay, I see what you mean now. And don't mess up your part tomorrow or we'll both get the sack. No pressure, right? I'm still getting used to speaking in front of people. Okay, so now let's practice this conversation together. I'll start first and then you go, and after that, we can switch roles. Make sure you don't skip this part. Let's get started.
Oh, I've been trying to organize this presentation all morning, but I'm getting nowhere. Yeah, if we get the chance, I'd love to go hiking, but first, this project. Don't get me wrong, I like working with her, but she can be so unclear with the instructions. Right, but can we talk about this new design? I just don't get the point of the layout. Okay, I see what you mean now. No pressure, right? I'm still getting used to speaking in front of people. Same here. I just want to get it done so we can relax this weekend. I get the impression our boss isn't even going to read it carefully. Totally, but hey, we're wasting our time. Let's get going before this place closes. It's meant to be simple, not boring. Do you get the picture? And don't mess up your part tomorrow or we'll both get the sack.
If you found this lesson helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more natural English lessons like this one, or you can also watch these ones next. And hey, don't get me wrong, grammar is important, but using these real life expressions is what really makes your English awesome. See you in the next one.